Me and Danny, we're currently at the top of Slieve Donard, and the weather's taken like an odd turn. Like today it's supposed to be dry with a few showers, but listen to this. We still need to descend again. We're at the summit currently and still have to go all the way back down. We're actually planning to go on further today, but unfortunately it looks like we're going to have to call it quits early. There's Danny just getting his gear sorted. What a crap day. Can you hear it? You probably can't even hear my voice. Right, let's go.